Right, here we are back in Leslie's garage in the warm side.
Yeah.
Quite cold today. For a quick update on Drew's bike. So I see we've now got the injectors fitted. Looking very nice.
Yeah, temporarily fitted.
Yeah. So they were black, weren't they? You've spent a lot of time.
They were black and
all been cleaned up.
Took the paint off. So that a bonus is all the springs and everything are like new.
Yes.
Because they've been covered from paint from the factory. So.
Yeah, and you got the throttle cables on and the throttle. I'll just do
the second-hand cables. I do need some.
Some new ones, yeah.
But I was just testing to see whether the standard cables are long enough, and they seem to be with these higher bars.
Perhaps you'll need a Venel kit. No, I've got
possibly, yeah. But I've been onto Kawasaki, and you can no longer get these twin cables for the E2, but you can get a pattern cable for the E1, which runs a single cable.
But so wouldn't they be too short, given you've now got these much higher bars than a standard turbo?
Well, they are the standard Kawasaki cables, and they seem to be long enough.
Okay.
What I can't do at the moment is turn the bars lock to lock, just to test these don't get tight. If they do, I'll have to lengthen them by an inch or two.
Okay, and then obviously, next up we've got the hand controls now fitted. I'll try and show that.
Yeah, all the switch gears on,
and they're very expensive and very nice.
The Brembo RCS.
I'll try and show you that. You can see it.
Yeah.
Difficult. Yeah, these are the RCS ones.
Yeah, RCS.
Very cool stuff.
Radial master.
Yeah.
And the clutch lever
on that side.
Bracket to mount to match.
Yes.
In the same colour.
Whiz over here. And we can see that. A bit difficult to feel.
A lovely bit of kit with the click adjustable.
Yeah, very nice.
Adjuster.
And you're saying that these originally are something like £600 retail?
For everything I ordered it was about 600, yeah, but I got
you did well. You got a trade.
I got trade on it, yeah.
Yeah, and paid a lot less.
Yeah.
Which I'm sure Drew's very happy with.
Of course.
And Drew's actually just out of shot, reading the Classic Bike magazine in the corner, being very quiet. Yeah. So what's next then? What's next online for this?
Well, I've been sidetracked this week doing other jobs,
yes.
van related stuff and
shelving related, yeah.
Shelving related, yeah, and
but it's all in a good cause, yeah.
Z1300 related.
Yes, yeah.
So I've sort of not done a lot on this, but now the weather's gone really cold. I'll be in here.
Yeah, where it's warm.
Cracking on with this.
Yeah. So what's next then?
Well, I've got a new throttle grip to put on.
Yes.
And the bar end weights all on that right hand side of the handlebar.
Yeah, you've got these rather heavy bar end weights.
Yeah.
Are they Oxford products?
Oxford products, yeah. I did want some R&G ones, but I struggled trying to find the dimensions to suit the bars on their website. So Oxford went on their site and it came up with the measurements. I thought, well, there you go, buy some of them. So really R&G need to put their measurements on their website, yeah. But these are actually nice because they're tapered.
Yeah, they're very heavy, aren't they, as well? They're quite heavy.
These plastic caps here.
Alniens, yeah.
When you buy them new, it comes with a spare set.
Yeah, a spare set in case.
So if you do damage them, you can replace them.
That's pretty cool. Wells and Oxford products.
They're Oxford products ones, and they're only about 33 quid for the pair.
Good value,
yeah. These are about 40 quid. These R&G ones.
Oh yeah, I know.
So yeah, I'm just getting all the controls done. I'm going to get Jeff to make some a billet bracket to hold the clocks and the ignition switch.
Yes.
Then I'm going to move on to fitting the fuel pump, ECU, all the electrical components.
Yeah. Down here we've got this airbox, isn't it?
That's the plenum chamber. That wants stripping, cleaning, a bit of oil in it actually.
Okay.
That all wants stripping and cleaning and putting on.
Yeah.
And then once that's on, I can work out how much room I've got for the fuel pump and all the other ancillaries and bits and pieces.
Yeah.
Once all the bits and pieces are on, I can then start laying the wiring loom along the bike, the standard turbo wiring loom, and then modifying it slightly to suit where all the accessories are and all the
of course,
components
you've also got to make a little bracketry and
I need to spend a day at Jeff's
that won't be a problem.
and make up all the alley work to hold the tail light
indicators
and the rear indicators. Front indicators aren't a problem because these headlight brackets have got a mount there already. So that's no problem.
Is it having a ZX6R rear lamp? I think it might be.
Yeah, ZX6.
Yes. Copying from me again, Drew. I don't know. I don't know. He's been quiet in the corner. Right, so hopefully by Christmas things will be progressing a bit better. you think it'll be ready? Do you think it'll be done by next spring? I know that's the
I'm hoping
target.
so. Yeah, I'm hoping we can get it
On the road. Yeah.
If not by early spring, then certainly by the start of summer.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
late spring.
Once the bodywork's down to the painters.
Yeah. Well, Mark
can sometimes take months to do.
Yes, I know.
Because he's busy.
Yeah.
So.
Well, you can't send it down yet, can you? Because you've got to do some work on.
Well, that's why I've got to get the plenum chamber on the back of the throttle bodies, and then I can put the tank on and work out. We've discussed this before, I'm sure.
Yeah, you've got to get the correct place for the inlet.
The two lugs, the inlet and outlet. You know, the outlet and the return.
You can't paint it until then. Yeah.
And then all the bodywork can go down to him, and it's going to be lime green again.
Oh, I know. He likes lime green.
But I think we're having a nod to Eddie Lawson with a blue and white stripe, so which will look cool.
Yeah. Yes, Drew owns another bike that's also lime green.
Likes lime green bikes.
Thing with lime green bikes, I don't know.
Yeah.
Whatever makes him happy.
It's the right colour for Kawasaki's, isn't it?
Well, maybe not. Right, so there you go. Quick update on the bike, on Drew's bike. And now it's time for more tea, no doubt.
Time for a cup of tea.
I've got to go home and edit this video.
Right.
And that's it for now, so thanks for watching, and cheers.
Cheers.